explain. There is something called symbol in Adobe Animate. Simple. Inside the symbol, there are three options: movie clip, graphic, button. Actually, these three we are using for grouping some animations. Okay. Movie clip and graphics are almost similar. Button means when you click something. For example, this window is a button. When you click on mouse, you can see this color changing, some action happening. That's called button. So buttons are something different. So we will discuss this later. We are discussing this too. In this one, first I will explain movie clip, then I will go to graphic symbol. These both are a set of animations, you can group it. Okay, that's called movie clip and graphic symbol. I'll explain. If I say more definition, a movie clip symbol has its own independent timeline that loops over and over. That means you create an animation that will be looping continuously inside. A movie clip can be used as a container for an animations. That means it will be like a container. Inside that you can create it how many animations if you want. Simple example. If you have an object or a circle or rectangle, whatever I call an object, this object you can convert to a movie clip. Or before creating anything, you can create a movie clip also. Movie clip means from symbol. I'm saying that we can create a symbol. When I go to insert a new symbol, inside the symbol, we have three options: movie clip, button, graphics. Okay. Insert new symbol. When you click insert new symbol, we have movie clip, button, and graphic. There are three things over here. Okay. So if you are creating a new symbols, you can go to insert new symbol. Or if you have an object, you can convert this object to a symbol. This object you can convert to a symbol. Symbol means it can be a movie clip, it can be a graphic symbol, it can be a button. We told you there are three type of options are there. So now I'm discussing about movie clip only. Okay, that's the reason I have written definitions over here. A movie clip symbol has its own independent timeline that loops over and over. A movie clip can be used as a container for an animation. Okay, so first I'm telling you, how can I create a movie clip? Okay, you can go to, first up on, when you keep this properties here, sorry, library, window library here, ensure you have nothing now. Okay, there is nothing in the library. Window L is the Control L is the shortcut to get library. Okay, so I don't have any symbols over here now. I don't have any objects now here. First, directly I go to insert, I create new symbol. Inside this new symbol, I'm giving a name for my symbol. My simple name is called ball. And I'm choosing this one. I want to create this ball as a movie clip symbol. Movie clip symbol. Then I press OK. Now I'm inside somewhere, right? Inside somewhere. You can see before I was in the scene, then I reached to somewhere inside. So what is that? You can see the ball I have created. That's why I'm inside now. I'll just quickly show you again because I don't want to confuse that I'm going inside and outside. From here, directly in the window library, I have nothing here now. Insert and a new symbol. The simple name I'm giving ball. I've taken a new page. Okay, choosing this one as a movie clip, and I press OK. Now I'm inside a movie clip. Now you can see this is a very big paper, so don't draw it very big drawings over here. You can see a plus symbol. This is the center of the page. Draw here a small objects. You can make it bigger. There's no problem because this is vector. You will not have any pixels there, right? No, stop. For example, this is my object. I create one ball inside. And here, when you come outside the scene, if I am outside the scene, I have nothing here. But when you go to library window, and you can see the ball and the picture is visible over here. Now, if you drag and drop here, I can see that ball. Okay. Now, this ball has any animations? When you press enter, nothing happened. When you put control enter, nothing happened because there is no animation. How to create an animation for this? You have to go inside it. Now you are inside this ball. In ball, I'm doing an animation. F6, classic tween, in the center, F6, and I move up using arrow key. So this is an animation I'm having here. Go back to scene. Scene, can you see something else? No, I have only one frame. When I press enter, nothing works because it's a single frame. But if I press control enter, you can see this is animating. Control enter, it is animating. How this is animating? Because inside this ball, there are some animations here. When I come outside, how can I come outside? Click on scene. Now outside, when I press control enter, I can see animation. So inside I have already an animation which is ball bouncing up and down. Outside, I just click over here and press F6, right click, classic tween. Here I'm adding move to this side. And the first, let it be here. So when you press enter, you can see this is moving like this. There is no animation showing here. But inside we have that ball bouncing animation. So when you press control enter, I can see both playing together. Inside bouncing also happening, outside the movement also happening. So what you understood, outside also you can animate, inside also you can animate. What you have done inside, you have done only one time a bouncing only. But outside I have created till 70 frames, right? 70 frames I have animated. So you understood whatever you did inside here, that was repeating. So a loop will be working inside. This is the first method. So any times you can create multiple times. For example, I don't do any movement outside for time being to show you. Remove frames, no tweening. Control enter. You can see it is animating. When you go to Control L library, you can create multiple times. I can create this ball here. Okay. Same symbols I have created. What will happen? Control enter, everything will animate. Because I imported again inside everyone. So now you're telling me I want to make inside one movie clip different color, or inside one movie clip different size. You cannot do that. Okay. Now you see all be imported. Now, for example, here I want one smaller, one bigger. You can do because we are doing this one from outside. So when you press control enter, some smaller or bigger, no problem. So inside, what are the animations that is playing now? So this is called movie clip. Now another scenario I told. What I told the first one is without creating any movie clip, directly you enter inside, insert new simple, and you give a name on it. Inside you're drawing something, inside you draw something, and inside you're giving an animations, F6, classic tween, center, F6, move up. So we have an animations. Outside we have nothing. See, you are not able to see anything outside because everything, the content I have created inside it. So how can I get it to outside? You open library, Control L library, drag and drop this one here. Okay. Now when you press Control enter, it will be working multiple times. You can import. This is what I told now. Now the other option, the second option I'm telling, I don't create from inside. I feel more comfort to draw from outside. Outside means, see, I'm going to create a ball directly. I don't create any movie clip until now. I don't create any movie clip until now. I selected this one, press F8 on the keyboard. Now I'm giving an animations, giving a color on it, and it's a movie clip. Okay. Now you can see this bounding box come blue color. That means this is a movie clip now. When I press control enter, nothing happened because there is no animation inside. How can I go inside a movie clip? Double click. Now I am inside. You can see scene and bold gray, right? Here I am doing an animation. F6, right click, classic tween. Here F6, here I need to move up. So here it is working one time. Come back, just click on scene. Outside there is no frame, but still when I control enter, it's working same, right? It's working perfect. So here I don't need to import again because already it is here. The first method, I went directly inside a symbol, then I created. So when I come outside, there was nothing. I need to import from library. This one, without creating a symbols, I directly draw an object. That one I selected, press F8, convert to a movie clip. I convert to a movie clip. So inside we have an animation, outside we have nothing. Now I told we have an option to do outside also. Outside also, if I do a classic tween, the last frame I want to move here. The first frame I want to keep here. So when you press enter, this will work like this only. I don't be able to see what's happening inside. But when you press control enter, I can see both. This is movie clip. If somebody asks what is movie clip, Two way I created. One, I converted an object to a movie clip. Second one, I create a new symbol. This is called. Now, how to create multiple movie clip? Inside, again, I can create a movie clip, I told. Okay, I can create more than one layer inside a movie clip, I told, right? So you have two objects. Just consider as a vehicle, okay? Two tire. Now, why I draw tire like this, just to understand the rotation, okay? This all I selected, convert to movie clip. Just consider as a car. Outside, I have a car together. When I open library, I have a car over here, right? Now, inside, what's happened? I open inside. How can I go inside? Double click, I'm inside. Inside, this all are separate object. Here, I'm selecting this tire and converting F8. This one, again, a movie clip. This is what? T1, tire 1. This T, tire 1. This one I don't need, actually. This is what? Movie clip, right? So again, I'm telling, from outside, we have a car. Inside the car, I have tire, right? And this object separate. So this one, multiple layers also is possible, right? Multiple layers also possible. If you want, I can cut this one and paste to another layer. So this is tire and this is car body. Okay, here. Now this one, I need to animate, I need to rotate it. So maybe till 50, I press F6. This one, F5, I want to stay till here. Go here, right click and classic tween. Classic tween. Inside, I can go to properties. We can do rotate clockwise. You want clockwise? Clockwise rotations. Slowly. Right? Now, I came outside. Outside we have together, right? When I press Control Enter, what happened? Rotating, right? When I go inside, tire is here now, right? So I want one more tire maybe. This is a movie clip already, right? Inside the movie clip, sorry. Here what I have done, this one I convert a movie clip. This movie clip, if I selected here, then in the properties, we choose clockwise over here, okay? And one more thing, 1 second, go here. This one is a movie clip I converted, but I didn't do any animation inside this movie clip, okay? From outside, I have animated like this. Inside, if you want, I can go again. I can try some other color changes or animations or whatever. I don't make you much confused on it, okay? Let's consider this is a movie clip. Inside, I have an animation like this. So copy this one to another layer. And here what I have copy and go here, I have one more here now. Do it, F6, classic tween and select inside, and this is clockwise. So keep it on the right position. And inside, properties. So what we have, two animations happen. This is a movie clip. This is a movie clip, but I didn't do anything inside, okay? Just convert to movie clip only. But here, if I want, I can go inside and do some animations. I have not done that. So what here you can understand, this car is together. Inside the movie clip, I can create multiple layers, you understood? Multiple layers, I can create it, okay? Control Enter. Now from outside, I'm coming outside, we have car together. I can make smaller and no problem. These objects, if I want to move from here to here, classic tween, and here it have to go to here. Control Enter, it's animating. Okay, now I go inside it and you can see the body is separate now. The tire is a movie clip, but inside I have not done animation. Same way, I'm converting this body also a movie clip, F8 movie clip. Okay, but the body, I'm not doing animations here. I go inside that movie clip. Here I do an animation, F6, classic tween. Here F6, slow movement inside. So I have a movement like this. One is enough. Okay. So when I come outside, what will happen? Two animations will work. Inside a movie clip, there is up and down also. And the tire also, we have animations inside the tire. If you want, I can do some other actions and I'm not done. So two things I teach you in this one. One, once you create a movie clip, inside the movie clip, you can create multiple layers. Second one, inside these layers, different objects are there. Any of these objects, again, I can press F8 and convert to movie clip. Then I can go inside. This is the example of it. This is, I double click, I go inside and I have animated like this. Do not confuse that. This also why I have converted. Tire also I have converted movie clip, but I didn't go inside. From outside only have animated because there are many other possibilities here. If you convert to movie clip, there are many other effects and all can be work over here. That's the reason we have converted. But actually inside the movie clip, another movie clip I created. Inside this movie clip, another movie clip I created. That's an animation of this one. So inside a movie clip, you can create another movie clip. Inside that one again, if you want, you can create another movie clip. Example is a car and the tire is the car and tire all are one movie clip. Inside this one, I've created multiple layers for tire and body. And the body I have converted again a movie clip. Inside that movie clip, I do an up and down, up and down. So when you come outside, just move like this. We have real exercise with a real car. I mean, not real car, with a cartoon proper picture. I will show you, but the basic you understand. Two things. How can I create multiple layers in a movie clip? How can I create this? Any of the layer, different content are there. Any of this content can be converted to a movie clip. Once you, how we convert, like how we create from outside, same way. F8 and convert it. Then you can go inside and do any animations. Simple. As you have a, still you have a doubt. So with one tire, I'm showing you, okay? See, I'm creating a tire and a body. So I'll make it more simple, okay? This both I selected F8 and I'm converting to maybe vehicle and just give EH a name. This is a movie clip. I go inside this movie clip, double click and inside the movie clip, okay? Then this one, we need to rotate it. So tire and this one, I need to rotate it, okay? So I'm not making you multiple layers now. I'm not making multiple layers now. Select this one. I need to convert to a different layer because in both I cannot animate from here, okay? So select it, cut it, take a new layer. Just I made it two different layer inside. I hope you know confusion. From outside I created. Inside, this both I made it into two different layer. I hope no doubt in that. Now this one I want to rotate it, okay? Like usually how we do rotation, F6, classic tween, go inside, property, and do it clockwise. So it is rotating. I didn't convert to movie clip, okay? So you can avoid the confusion on it. Till here F5 only. That means when I from control enter, just animating like a classic tween only. This one I think is very easy to understand. Okay, this is a car I created first. Go inside. This content I move to here. This content I move to here. Two different layers. And in one layer I press the tire. I selected F6. Here is an F6. Right click and classic tween. And center I click it. Go to properties. Choose this one to clockwise. And the speed if you want you can adjust. Then when I press control enter, it's working. I told you we can use multiple layers in one movie clip. So I use multiple layers. The next one I'm telling inside a movie clip, I can create multiple movie clips. So how can I do that? Inside this movie clip, see, this is outside, I go inside. So inside I selected this body, F8, I'm converting again a movie clip. And this animations I go inside, I'm animating here, F6, classic tween, center F6, a small movement up. Now, two movie clips are working. This up and down also working, rotating also working. Now we are outside. Outside will be like a group. So you can move it from here to here. If I do F6 and in the end, you can move like this, no problem. So movement doing from outside, tire rotation inside, and inside the body I have converted to movie clip, and I do up and down also. So three things are working.